Okay, so on Dave's Cooking Show today, we have what's known as the taco burger. And as you can see, we're going to start with a cup of mayo. And to that, we're going to add a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chipotle powder, half a teaspoon of dill, at least a half a teaspoon of pepper, but I usually add a little bit more, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. Now, as you can see in that little cup thing there, I have combined a half a cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of whole milk, and we're just gonna put that in there, and then we're just gonna stir all around until everything is nice and well incorporated. And at this point, I realize that the spoon isn't doing jack and shit, so I'm gonna grab a whisk and do this up proper. Okay, and then here's everybody's favorite kitchen utensil, the squeeze bottle. You can pick these up at Walmart for like $1, and you just want to pour your ranch in there and leave it in the fridge for at least an hour. I did this in the morning, so I personally went about 5 or 6 hours. So, all right, next step. Alrighty, got a griddle on medium-high heat, and now we're loading the patties. These are 1/3 pound patties. You can certainly make them 1/4 or halves if you want, but I decided to go with 1/3 pound patties. And I don't know if the footage got lost or I forgot to hit record, but these patties have been mixed in with taco seasoning. I can't remember if I made the seasoning myself or if I just used a packet, but it'd be one packet per pound of meat, so those are so you get 3 if they're a 1/3 pound, obviously. And then I just season them additionally with my all-purpose seasoning, just to make sure they get kind of a nice little crust. They were seasoned on the bottom before I put them down, so all-purpose goes on top. And I think about 3-4 minutes aside will get you to 160. And through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. And I decided to top them with a nice bit of sharp cheddar cheese. You can certainly use whatever cheese you like, but I just feel, traditionally with tacos, you usually bust out the cheddar, so why not do that here? Give the cheese a little bit of time to melt up, and then they should be ready to be pulled off. Okay, let's assemble this burger up. I've got the patty on the bottom bun, of course. And, of course, going to add some nice little iceberg lettuce leaves, as I believe iceberg is the only lettuce for a burger. Add some tomato slices. And then the top bun. You didn't really see it. Well, actually, I forgot to do it. You'll barely be able to see it, but I'm going to squirt some of that spicy ranch on the top bun, top it on, and that's it. Taco burger. Done.